Okay, guys, so I'm back and I wanted to just do a very kind of informal video today. But I want to start this by just letting you guys know like I'm grateful. Like I'm so grateful for each and every one of my subscribers here, and hopefully you guys will see that as I'm figuring out this YouTube thing all over again, and just really focusing on quality of my content and being consistent. I hope that you guys see that throughout my videos here as well. So anyways, today I want to share with you guys just some information on how you can get clients in your business, and some ways that you can focus on kind of marketing your business as well. So these are not in any order, but I just kind of created a list on my computer. I have my computer in front of me. That's what I'm looking at, if you guys are wondering. But the number one thing is you have to really understand your ideal client and who you're serving. I will tell you that most cleaning companies, most business owners starting out, they don't really get this. They may say, oh, I know I'm serving residential clients, but who is your ideal client? Is it busy moms? Is it, individuals who have just maybe toddlers that they have a lot, can't keep up with the household? Like, who truly is your target audience, right? And how do you want to show up and serve them? The second thing is you want to understand what we call your USP, and that is your unique selling proposition, right? So what really sets you apart from other people doing the same thing that you're doing? How are you different from your competitors? And listen, if you don't understand that, then 9 times out of 10, your clients aren't going to understand that either. And that's going to be a little bit tricky because it's hard for people to make a buying decision if they don't really understand that. Number 3 is that you really want to brand your business. So branding your business is basically, how are you showing up online? How are you showing up offline? What is the consistency about your values of your business, about, how you're serving in your business and doing all the things. So a brand is a very, very clear thing. It is what people talk about when you're not in the room. What are they saying about your business? That's a part of your brand as well. It's not just about a shiny logo or a shiny website or anything like that, right? The fourth is and this probably should be first, but to really have a marketing strategy for your business. I will tell you that this is something that most people don't really take a lot of time to flush out in the beginning of their business, but something that honestly will make a world of difference if you do. So I would recommend that you absolutely just take some time and create a marketing strategy for your business. And then number 5 is just creating a cleaning business website. You want to have a one central place, whether it's a landing page or a website that you're sending people to, so that they can learn more about who you are, they can understand your process, they can understand your policies. You can have your policies on your website. But it just allows you to show up professional, especially if you're in the commercial space. And then number 6 is always asking for referrals. Even commercial, in a commercial space, you can ask for referrals. Here's a bonus tip. So if you're working with commercial and you have apartment complexes or you have different buildings that you're working with, ask them if they have sister companies that you could work with as well. I have found really a lot of success with doing that. So that's something that you guys can check out and try as well. And then number 7 is to make a Google business profile. I'm going to do a separate video about this topic. That'll probably be my next video, just showing you guys my Google profile and what I do to keep it updated and how I'm updating it and all the things. But you absolutely want to have a Google profile for your business. The next is to ask your existing clients to write reviews for you. People want to know, like social proof. People want to know that you are who you are and that you are as good as you say you are. And they want to just not hear it from you, right? They want to hear from people that you've worked with. And so anytime you can get those reviews, I think are going to be key in your business as well. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold, guys. And I will share one more tip, which is to post in community groups. So Facebook is key, right? But finding not to spam, but to post regularly in those groups, I think can help anybody grow their business. So I'm going to stop there because I feel like after a while it gets to be overwhelming, right? But just try to, use 1 or 2 of these things and use it in your business. And I promise you will make a huge, huge difference in how you're showing up in your business. But if I can help you, if you're like, man, these are great ideas, but I'm still stuck, I still don't exactly, know what I need to do, then I would love, love, love to work with you. Right below this video, you're going to see two links. The first link is going to be a link to my scheduler where you can schedule a 30-minute call with me. You can schedule a 1-hour call with me. These are coaching calls, and I'll be able to kind of answer your questions and to walk you through where you are in your business, so that we can get you up and running. So I want to thank everybody that's already scheduled these calls, and I look forward to working with you guys. Make sure that you subscribe. We're growing, and I'm so excited to welcome even more people here on our YouTube community. That's all the time I have for today, guys. But listen, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and I look forward to connecting with you guys very, very soon. Have an absolutely amazing day ahead.